My friend. Good morning. Tayo na, breakfast.
Breakfast in bed pala?
Yes, of course. Kailangan ganyan pag may bisita ka. Dapat full support. Full service. Tayo ka na, kain ka na.
Mayaman talaga, you're so rich. It's my best time talaga having breakfast in bed eh.
Talaga? That's good. Try na. You eat na.
Anong try? I'm waiting, kulang pa, di ba?
Anong kulang? It's bread and coffee. May palaman ka pa dyan.
Anong bread and coffee in the morning? Di ba, akala ko lalagyan mo ng bread, coffee, kanin, putlong, itlog, kaldereta, sinigang.
Wow, it's so heavy Pang lunch yun. Breakfast is bread and then coffee lang.
Hindi, that is not what they do. Don't sa amin, my mama give me everything in the morning. My mama give me rice. My mama give me, good rice, kaldereta, putlong, itlog, tapos you choose in the morning.
Ang arte mo naman, nakikitulog ka na lang, tapos ganun pa gusto mo?
Anong arte, di ba mayaman ka? You guys are very rich, tapos look at your breakfast in the morning, rich people. Ayoko talaga yan, uwi na ako.
Siyempre, kailangan diet.
Ayoko
Grabe
yan.
ka.
Ayoko. Isang peraso ng tinapay, tapos kape.
Uwi ka na doon. Wala ka palang dito
I'm not coming to your house anymore.
Sige. Uwi.
Breakfast, isang peraso ng tinapay.
Of course. Diet nga eh.
I will go back to my house to tell my mama to, Sige.
Uwi ka na. Wala ka na makwenta
in your house.
Hindi, wala ka na pakinabang dito. Go, uwi.
Breakfast, wala kayong
Kay tulog ka na lang, nagre-reklamo ka pa. Kapal-kapal ng mukha mo.
Kapal ng mukha mo rin, friend.
Bye. Alis!